alarm clock. Given a day of the week, encode it as 0 equals Sunday, 1 equals Monday, and so on. So 6 equals Saturday. And a boolean indicating if we are on vacation. Return a string in the form 7 o'clock, indicating and the alarm clock should ring. Weekdays it should be 7. On the weekend it should be 10. Unless, so if we are on vacation, then on weekdays it should be 10. Weekends it should be off. Okay. Then first let's check if it is a weekend or not first. So if day equals 0 or day equals 6, then we can return, or we don't return, but we can say that we can say is vacation equals true. Okay, so then now we can check if, if is weekend is true, and then if vacation and if is weekend, then we can return if it's a vacation and it's a weekend, we can return off. Then we can do else. So else meaning it's not a weekend, return 10. But then we really don't need this else, because what I'm going to do next is just an else statement here. And then if is weekend, then return if vacation and then else, so meaning not a vacation. And then if it's not a vacation and it's a weekend, then we return 10 o'clock. And then else meaning not a vacation and also not a weekend, then we return 7. But we really don't need this else, these two else's, because if it's not a weekend and we just return it in the same indented line as the is weekend if statement, then we'll just return 10 o'clock if we can't return off. And same for here. But it's just easier to read when we have a code like that. This weekend. So if we do that, we can say it's all correct.